Climate change and carbon is central to our green and sustainability strategies. It's, if you like, the currency of green. Carbon emissions, everything associated with it has become a way that you can measure and overall assess green impacts and help focus a green direction, if you like. So it's central and fundamental to our strategies. Skanska have been investing a lot of time and effort into understanding our carbon impacts as a company. We've reported for 4 years now through the Carbon Disclosure Project, and that has led us to a detailed understanding of how our impacts work as a company. So what causes emissions to go up, what causes emissions to go down, and the effect of initiatives that we've been putting in place. So that's given us a great basis to build on. We're now much more into understanding the operational impacts of the products, the buildings and the infrastructure we deliver, and also the embodied impacts. So as things become more efficient, the embodied impacts of the materials we're using and the processes we're using to build become of greater impact, of greater importance. And that's really our next phase of progression, looking at the embodied impacts of materials, how they compare with the operational impacts, and that is truly where the supply chain will come to the fore in providing the information needed, in understanding the materials we use and specify and alternatives, and also innovation. This will be the next big step for us as far as supply chain management goes. For our supply chain, our approach to carbon and climate change will mean an uptake in knowledge. It will definitely mean increased understanding of the impacts of the solutions they bring to the table, their own impacts and how they're managing to reduce them. Because in the delivery of a construction project, a lot of the associated impacts are coming through the supply chain. So we will need, and we will be requiring, supply chain to come to the fore with innovation, with new solutions, with alternatives. So I think there's a very large area for a supply chain to really innovate and move direction.